In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account using the account that already has permission to manage users. After logging in, give the page a moment to fully load until you can clearly see the Google Ads dashboard, usually the overview page. Waiting for everything to load completely helps avoid clicking the wrong area too early. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the Tools and Settings icon. Click it to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, navigate to the Setup section, then select Access and Security. In some versions of the interface, this may also appear as Account Access, so don't worry if the wording is slightly different. Once you open that page, you'll see a list of the users who currently have access to the account. This is a good place to quickly review who already has permissions before adding someone new. Now, locate the plus icon or the New User button and click it. This will open the invitation window where you can add another user. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to give access to. Take a moment to double-check the address carefully. If the email is typed incorrectly, the invitation may go to the wrong person or fail to reach the intended user. After that, open the Access Level or Role drop-down menu. From the list of available roles, choose Admin. This role gives the invited person full administrative access, so they'll be able to manage important settings and account access. Before moving forward, review the permissions associated with the admin role so you're completely sure this is the level of access you want to grant. Once you've confirmed that you want to provide full administrative rights, click Send Invitation. After sending it, wait a few moments for the invitation to be processed successfully. Then let the invited user know to check their email inbox for the invitation message. They'll need to accept that invitation before their access becomes active. Until they do, their status will remain pending. Finally, return to the Access and Security page and verify that their status updates from pending to admin. That confirms the invitation has been accepted and the new admin has been added successfully. Thanks for watching.